Hey, Stick, why can't you concentrate anymore? You sit down to get things done, and somehow you're watching random YouTube videos about dogs wearing sunglasses while riding skateboards. You read the same sentence over and over, but nothing sticks. Your to-do list is still full, but you've checked TikTok, replied to memes, and refreshed Instagram twice. And then you ask yourself, what's wrong with me? Why can't I focus like I used to? Here's the truth. Your brain isn't lazy, it's just overloaded. In the past, there weren't a million things fighting for your attention. But in today's techie world, your attention is the new currency. You wake up to 100 apps, endless notifications, a packed schedule, and pressure to stay productive. So what's really going on? Let's break it down. Let's talk about dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel excited and motivated, like a reward. Every time you check your phone, get a like, or swipe on a new video, your brain gets a tiny shot of dopamine. This feels good, but it's also a trap. Your brain starts wanting more and more of those quick, easy rewards. It gets used to fast, fun, and new things. And focusing on one boring task, that starts to feel impossible. It's like playing loud music all day, then asking your brain to sit in silence. It gets confused. Then there's task switching. When you switch between apps, messages, and tasks, your brain has to stop what it was doing and start again. Each switch might feel small, but it drains your brain's energy fast. You're not multitasking. You're just quickly switching back and forth. And each switch takes a mental toll. Studies show this kind of jumping around can make you 40% less productive. So if you've been feeling tired, forgetful, or like your brain is always scattered, you're not imagining it. Your brain is being pulled in too many directions. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine your focus is like a flashlight. You can shine it on one thing at a time. But if everyone's shouting at you, pulling your hand, flashing lights in your face, your flashlight goes all over the place. That's what your brain deals with every day. And there's more. You've got background noise in your mind, unfinished tasks, texts you haven't replied to, things you forgot to do. Even if you're not thinking about them directly, they're running in the background. Just like apps draining your phone battery, add stress, noise, and nonstop screen time. It's no wonder you can't focus. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to focus again, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Here are 4 easy ways to start. Number 1, make a focus zone. Pick one place, just for deep work. No snacks, no scrolling, no chatting. When you sit there, your brain knows this is focus time. Number 2, use the 1-1-1 rule. One task, one tab, 10 minutes. Set a timer for just 10 minutes and do only one thing. No pressure to finish. Just start. Most of the time, you'll keep going once you begin. Number 3, let your brain drift. On purpose. Take 5 minutes a day to do nothing. No phone, no talking. Just look outside or lie on your bed. This gives your brain space to breathe and reset. Number 4, take a daily break from screens. Pick 1 hour where you don't look at any screens. It might feel weird at first, but your brain will thank you. You'll start to feel clearer and more in control. And here's what Stick Sense wants you to remember. You are not broken. You're just living in a world that's constantly fighting for your attention, but you can take back your focus, one clear choice at a time. Type reset in the comments if you're tired of feeling scattered and ready to feel in control again. Stick Sense breaks down the things you feel, but can't always explain.